In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage quotes in Hubspot. Whether you're new to Hubspot or looking to streamline your process for handling quotes, this tutorial is here to help. We'll walk you through each step, ensuring that you can not only access but effectively manage quotes in HubSpot. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the HubSpot website. If you're not familiar, HubSpot is an all-in-one software platform that helps businesses with customer relationships, marketing, and sales. Once on the homepage, take a moment to look around if you haven't been here before, otherwise let's get logged into your account. So go ahead and click on the login button, which you should easily spot on the page. Now once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your HubSpot home screen. This is where you'll find the main dashboard displaying all your tools and resources. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, our focus today is narrowing down to managing quotes. From your home dashboard, draw your attention to the menu options available. Here you'll want to look for commerce. If you're not familiar with this option, it's where HubSpot gathers all commerce related tools, making it a central spot for managing sales related activities, such as handling quotes. So go ahead and click on commerce. Now that you're in the commerce section, the next step is to find and select quotes. The quotes area is a centralized hub where all your potential deals get formalized into understandable and shareable formats. Clicking on quotes takes you to a section specifically dedicated to managing them, where you can organize, edit, and track your quotes with ease. Within the quotes section, you need to take a look at the different actions available to you. You'll see an actions button, which provides a drop-down of various options for managing each of your quotes. Here, you'll find options such as editing quotes, sending them directly to clients, and even duplicating them if necessary. It's an incredibly versatile menu, ensuring you have control over the presentation and distribution of your quotes. As you work through these steps, remember that HubSpot is designed with user-friendliness in mind, so explore these options as needed. Each feature is intended to save you time and simplify the quote management process. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to managing quotes in HubSpot. By following these steps, you should now have the tools and knowledge to efficiently handle your quotes, staying organized and prepared for all your business dealings. Thanks for watching, and happy quote managing.